uThulani Maseko ube ummeli oqavile elwela amalungelo abantu kanye noguquko lezokhetho ezweni lakhe eSwatini okuyilona zwe elisabuswa inkosi izwe lonke ezwenikazi eAfrika. Ukuba izishoshovu kwakhe kwamdalela inkinga zezomthetho kodwa akazange atheneke amandla, waqhubeka walwa kwaze kwaba sekugcineni udutshulwe ngentululwane izinhlamvu.
As an organization, we are of the view and the belief that Thulani Maseko was killed because of the political views he was holding, that of pushing for a total multi-party democratic system of government in Swatini.
That as Pudemo we hold Mswati personally liable for the cold-blooded murder of Comrade Thulani that took place hours after he had boastfully said that he is now dealing with those who are calling for democratic changes in our country.
uHulumeni waseSwatini uyazichitha ke lezi insolo.
So we reject these accusations. Government is not associated at all with the matter of these particular individuals. And by the way, remember, government have lost a lot of security officers in the same way and same fashion. We have never cast aspersion against anyone because we believe in the fair processes of investigations. We are expecting that by probably the close of this week, the police should be able to give us some indication of some leads of what exactly has happened that caused the murder of Thulani Maseko.
Akekho saboshiwe okwamanje kanti inhlangano ezifuna ukuba noHulumeni obuswa ngentando yabantu zinesiqiniseko sokuthi akekho umuntu ozoyivala umlomo kanti izoqhubeka nokufuna ukuthi kwenziwe izinguquko kuleli yazwe.